Colorado tonight in the all dark kits with the white numbers and white lettering. Meanwhile, Richmond Kickers in the all white kits as we are underway as this ball is played and now headed away. Fulham will play it out wide. Beautiful ball, Sabella slots it to the right and gets the Hailstorm on the scoreboard first. What a pass, and Sabella finishes it off with the first goal of the game coming in the 14th minute. Beautiful ball here on this pass. Talking about foot to foot. Sabella ahead of the defense, gets behind the line, offside flag, stays down. And Sabella gets the opening goal of the game for the Hailstorm. What a beautiful ball. Great touch by Sabella. So back to playing. Rogers.
A yellow card was issued to Hailstorm FC, number 27, Bruno Rendon.
Rendon getting his head to it, but right at Palmquist. Onto the far touchline, and Ammon to his left foot. A nice stop there by Palmquist, making the save for the Kickers. Hernandez turning away from traffic. Hernandez, little room, looking for Rendon. Hernandez from the top of the air, brings it to his right, trying to chip it in. A little toe poke there from the top of the 18. Bentley on the end line. Trying to win his team a corner. He's going to say still in play. Bentley drives near post, off Delgado. Take a look at this angle. You see the deflection. It looks like it goes over, but the entire ball needs to go over. Doesn't. Bentley driving it. Delgado making it. Chance here. Driven, but right at Palmquist. Sabella wanting a brace.
Corner kicks tonight are brought to you by Meadow Gold.
Meadow Gold corner kick coming your way. Inward swinging ball. Headed down. And Delgado right in the perfect position. Rendon, oh, off the post! Nearly had back-to-back weeks with the goal. Nice little cross in here by Rogers, finding the head of Rendon. Wants that back post. Gordon tripped up. Ammon all alone, waiting for some help. Ammon drives it in, and Ammon has 8 goals on the season. Another goal for the Golden Boot leader at the moment.
Hailstorm goal.
Richmond wanting an offside. There you see Ammon from the top of the area. Goes near post, catches Palmquist off guard. Palmquist thinking he was going to use more of the netting there to the right where it was wide open. Is going to operate this year and moving forward as this is played up to Sabella. Sabella to his left foot. Sabella curling right in to Palmquist. Lukic. And there is the final whistle, and Northern Colorado will get their second win.